Good morning. In today's lecture, we are going to study about the automobile body construction, its type and nomenclature. Let us see. Body is basically the portion just above the chassis which provide seating facility for the passenger, and it also provide pleasant look to the automobile. In another word, body is defined as enclosed arena which provide storing facility for goods or sitting facility for the passenger. A body may be designed shaped according to the needs and convenience, but the importance of automobile body design: number one, reduction in weight, better aerodynamic structure, it provides pleasant look. What are the basic requirements for the body of an automobile? Are number one, to withstand all the types of forces which act on the vehicle. Number two, evenly distribution of the stresses, less weight and to withstand impact load. Number four, to have adequate space for the passenger and luggage. And the next, it should have minimum number of components so handling problem doesn't create. And the next, we are going to see the nomenclature of the car body, four-wheeler. This is the front portion and this is the back portion. Here is a bumper, and this is shows the dashboard. It is a portion where all the indicators are arranged, and this is the screen. This is the roof portion, and it is shown here. Let us see some definition. Cabin, it is a region in which the driver sit for the driving, means it is the portion where the driver sit. Cabin region separate from the rest of the body as in the truck or bus, or maybe in open region, a part of the body as in the car. Means in bus or car, the cabin portion is separated from the rest portion of the vehicle, whereas in the car it may be a open space. And the next nomenclature, let us see. Fascia, it is the frontage of the vehicle visible to the driver from the inside. Means it is the front portion which is visible to the driver from the inside. It includes the dashboard, tape recorder, housing, toolbox, etc. And the next, dashboard, this is the dashboard. It consists various indicators such as fuel level indicator, engine temperature indicator, speedometer, voltmeter, etc. Leg room, it is the space provided for the movement of the leg of the driver and the passenger. Means it is the region which is provided for the free movement of the leg of the driver and the passenger. Sufficient leg room is essential for comfortable driving, riding, and traveling. Means if sufficient space is not provided for the leg room, then it will create discomfort to the driver as well as for the passenger also. In the next nomenclature, headroom, it is the vertical distance inside the body between the floor to the ceiling. This dimension is based on the stability consideration of the vehicle, as the position of the center of gravity from the ground level depends on this height. Means headroom should be based on the basis of considering the stability of the vehicle, otherwise it will create lot of problem. And the next is shoulder room, it is the clear horizontal distance available inside the body. Boot space, it is the storing space available below the rear hood for the purpose of keeping goods, spare wheel, etc. It is the hood room is the space provided for the luggage. It is generally at the back side. Next, we are going to see the types of automobile body. Basically, the automobile body are divided into four types. Number one, closed car, and under this category the hatchback, sedan, coupe, etc. come. And the next type is the open car. Under this category sports car, SUV, etc. come. And special type, in special type vehicle automobile body, station wagon, pickup trucks, etc. come. And the next type of automobile body, transport vehicle. Under this category bus, dumper, trucks, etc. come. Let us see line by line this. Number one is the closed car. Under this hatchback comes. This is the figure of a hatchback car, Maruti Alto. This type of car body is used in a small car with a rear door. There is the rear door which open upward, revealing the boot space. This is used for keeping the goods, luggage, etc. Excluding the rear door, hatchbacks are built with the four doors. Generally, it is built with a four door, while the two door hatchbacks are also available in the market. Example is Maruti Alto, etc. Next is the sedan and the saloon type. It also come under the closed car category. The main feature of a sedan is that it is designed with a separate passenger and boot space. Sedan feature four doors and a boot. A sedan is designed as a three box configuration, that is the engine, the passenger and the cargo. Here the engine, passenger and the cargo both all are separated from one another. Generally the word sedan is used in America. Sedan word is used in America, while the word saloon is used in the Britain या UK. Example Honda City. Coupe. Coupe is a two-door car. This is a two-door car with a sloping roof, giving it a sporty look. Most of these coupe come with a powerful engine and feature two seats or come with a smaller rear seat. Example Mercedes. Example of coupe is a Mercedes. Micro car. This type of car is inexpensive. Nano, its example is nano car, and practical to drive, especially in developing countries. It has the advantage of a cheaper running cost yet offer the convenience of a four-wheeler. Example nano car. Means even middle class family can also purchase it for the purpose of transportation. Minivan, multi-purpose van vehicle, are people carrier and designed to offer some more space and seat. This type of vehicle is also called MUV. MUV full form is multi-utility vehicle. Example Maruti Suzuki Eco. And the next type of car body is open car. Under this sports utility vehicle, SUV are built with a combination of a passenger car with a feature of off-road vehicle. Means this vehicle have a large clearance and can even run in a off-road and under constructed road also. Example Tata Safari. And next type is special type. Under this category station wagon comes. Station wagon are based on the sedan car body type, extended roof wide. This is just like a sedan type, but exception, but difference is that it is having an extended roof line that merges passenger and boots separate here. Example, Fiat Weekend. Next special type is pickup truck. This is used for cargo purpose for transportation goods, while it is also offering space for the passenger. Means here passenger can sit and here goods can be kept. Its example is Tata Xenon. Next type of car is car body type is transport vehicle. Under this transport vehicle, a bus is a road vehicle designed basically used for the purpose carrying many passengers. Here is generally everyone knows. And three vehicle under this category, a vehicle having three wheels. This is used for the luggage goods transportation as well as for the passenger transportation also. And next category is pickup truck. A pickup truck has next is the dump truck. It is also called dumper truck. It is basically used for dumping for the construction site. Example is Ashok Leyland, Comet tipper trucks. This is the next is tanker. A tanker is basically used for transportation of liquid materials such as oil, liquid, milk, etc. Here is the figure shows. Next is the material which are used for the automobile body construction are steel, alloy steel, aluminum, plastic. It is also sometimes uses fiberglass, wood, glass, rubber. That's all. In the next lecture, we will going to see about the aerodynamic balancing. Thank you.